In this video, you'll learn how to join the affiliate program on OKX. This process allows you to earn commissions by sharing your unique affiliate link and code with others. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to navigate through the OKX platform to become an affiliate and track your earnings. To begin, ensure that you have an OKX account. You must be registered and logged in to access the affiliate program. If you do not have an account yet, please complete the registration process on the OKX platform before proceeding. Once you are logged in, locate the More option in the app or website. This section typically houses additional features and tools that are not immediately visible on the main dashboard. After clicking More, look for the option labeled Affiliate/Partner Program. Selecting this will take you to the dedicated dashboard for affiliate tools and links. Within the affiliate section, you will find a button that says Apply or something similar. Click on this button and then select Start Earning. This action will open a short application form that you need to fill out. After submitting the form, your application will be reviewed. Once approved, OKX will provide you with your unique affiliate link and affiliate code. After receiving approval, you can start sharing your referral link and affiliate code. These links are essential as they will track the users who sign up and trade through your shared information. When people use your affiliate link or code to register and trade, you will begin generating commissions based on their activity. To keep track of your earnings, return to the affiliate dashboard where you first applied. Here, you will find detailed information on how many people signed up through your link, their trading activity, and the commissions you've earned. This dashboard is crucial for monitoring your performance and understanding the impact of your affiliate efforts. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.